Before we get to our distinguished guests, we have IP in the news. And so what's on the table for this evening?
Well, of course, it's a patent, and we're trying to make it relevant to the show. So how can you measure someone's happiness?
Well, you can ask them. I guess that's one way. Are you happy?
Right. But how can you measure it using an app or a program?
Well, assuming that you'd ever really want to do that, there is somebody who filed a patent called Determining Happiness Indices. And it was filed on behalf of MicroStrategy Incorporated. And what they do is they go around the internet and they look for user groups that or types of people that are acting in a way that they determine is happy. They have an algorithm for this. And they compare them to people who are unhappy, and then they notice what they're doing on the internet during happy and unhappy moments. So it sounds to me like this is completely geared for teenagers, but who knows? Maybe there's maybe there's something more to that.
Is there such a thing as a happy teenager?
Well,
a good one.
For all of our teenagers that are listening, you know that, one moment you're happy, one moment you're not. But yeah, there's quite a scale there. But it's actually not a bad idea, assuming, that it's really very complicated. And just to give you, our audience, a sense of patent jargon, I'm going to read like the first 3 sentences of the summary of this patent. So it's a computer implemented method that includes the actions of receiving a request for data, interactive of a user segment of a social networking platform, accessing user data of the social networking platform, identifying a portion of the assessed user data, and it goes on, and I don't like this, for 50 pages. So anybody who thinks that intellectual property attorneys don't earn their money aren't reading patents on a regular basis, because there's actually people out there that understand that.
And if you think that people in tech don't get patents, think again.
There you go.